Are you fed up with getting overcharged by tradespeople, or do you struggle with confidence when talking to people? If so, this video should be quite helpful for you. So one of the strategies that I've done over the years is when someone comes out to look at some work, I'll quite simply ask them, how much do you charge, number one? And I'll say, what time do you start work? What time do you finish work? Do you stop for breaks? If so, how long are those breaks? What time do you take them? By doing this, it puts down very clear communication right from the start. If then, a few weeks later, they start turning up at, I don't know, 10, 11 o'clock rather than 8 or 9, you can say, hang on a minute, what's going on here? We had a conversation about this. This is normally the main reason why people fall out in the building industry, in my experience. It's just quite simply, it's down to communication. I've experienced it myself, even though I've worked as a tradesman and as someone employing people. I've seen both sides of the spectrum. I've always been fairly fortunate. There has been instances where I've had issues over the years, and generally it's been down to communication. So many years ago, I had two guys introduced to me through a friend. They were there to do some work. They were on a day rate, which I was happy with the rate, and they came up, they did some work. The work was okay, no problem with that. And then 2 o'clock they went home. I was like, what's going on here? They said, oh, we're done for the day. All right, went to pay them. I said, how much do you? Oh, it was a day's work, wasn't it? I was like, not really, you finished at 2. They said, yeah, but the thing is, we did a day's work in that time. I said, well, no, you didn't, because it was 2 o'clock. Yeah, but it was a day's worth of work that we did. I went, absolutely no problem. There you go, there's your money. See ya. And absolutely no chance would I ever give them any work again. And that was, I think it was 7 years ago, and since I've told every person who's mentioned their name that little story. That probably cost them tens of thousands over the years. But in hindsight, I wish I just had the simple conversation at the start, then everyone would have known exactly where they stood, and it's just much easier going forward. Anyway, hope that helps someone. Let me know in the comments below. See you next week. Bye.